Hi, good afternoon. This is Sagar from OEM Update magazine, and we are at the booth of Bosch. I am attended by Mr. Hemanth Sheelvant, who's from Bosch.
Generative AI was itself a leap in technology,
Okay.
bringing in collation of data from various sources and coming up with recommendations, right? But it was on query. Going further, Agentic AI is one step further where it doesn't assist, but it acts, right? So you have agents, AI agents coming in, which start looking at what are the inner faults in machines, for example. And then once it detects a fault, it goes into the database, looks at if it can resolve it. If it cannot, it actually raises a ticket. It calls other agents like maintenance agents to schedule a maintenance. And when this maintenance is scheduled, the workforce planning agent actually informs the planning team that more people working on that should be deployed elsewhere. So it's a network of multiple agents working together in tandem, ensuring that issues are resolved very quickly.
Okay. And which are the industries currently who are adopting this agentic AI?
So, automotive, discrete manufacturing industries are very well adopting agentic AI. We have seen that automotive industries, component manufacturing, electronic manufacturing, consumer goods, these are already, they have started adapting. Okay. And more recently, even healthcare, pharma, life sciences have started adapting. Indian market is growing very fast, right? Digital transformation in the last 5 years has been significantly leapfrogging.
Okay.
So we see a lot of companies new, especially with EV, new companies being set up for electric vehicles, battery manufacturing. And when they start new, they start digital. And many of the earlier existing automotive or component manufacturing companies have started building digital only factories. Right, AI first battery. So we see there's a lot of adoption of AI, and hence, Chorus, it is a right moment to be there in the market to create and add value to the. Only large companies implementing AI doesn't help. So for SMEs, exclusively for SMEs, our solution fits much better because it's a SaaS, software as a service.
Yeah.
And which includes the cloud part, we host it. So they only pay, SMEs only need to pay for the operating expenses. Okay, so what they are using. So they don't need to invest in infrastructure, sensors. So they're able to use our solution as a SaaS part based on the tiered package that we have, and they only pay for the amount that they can receive.
Okay.
So it becomes very valuable and at the same time affordable. Today we see that a lot of expert workforce are retiring, which means that the knowledge that they had is going away. So
Yeah.
this knowledge, we are the domain expertise, we are actually putting it as a database, converting it into a knowledge base which can be retrieved. And any new joinees, anyone who has joined who do not have that expertise, can tap into this database, and it will act as a human in loop or human assist system, helping them to already start learning about how to manage. Okay, what is the new students, the students coming out did not want to get into production.
Yeah.
But now with things like Agentic AI, AI, HoloLens in some case, things like this coming into picture, more and more people now want to come back into the industry because they're working with AI tools, they work with artificial intelligence, machine learning, and they're able to comprehend and also put their knowledge into practice.
Okay.
So slowly it is also attracting people from the colleges to get into manufacturing.
Okay.